Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I have a kindergartner and a third grader in Abeka, and I'm here to help guide you throughout the school year. The first half of this video will focus in on lesson 104, and the second half will focus on a lesson 105. As always, we like to open up our day to see what books are needed. We will need our Bible activity book for seat work time, our new book 3, as well as our blend book, our Numbers Skills book, our Think and Learn book, as well as our manuscript writing tablet, again for seat work. We started with our Bible, going over memorization P, and jumped right into skills development in our Think and Learn book, page 65.
Object that does not belong. In order to listen, that means that you're not looking at. Object is not something you would use to write with.
Yeah, good job, circle it.
Chalk.
What about the next one? Do you know?
A pen. Which would you not write with? What did you
Correct.
circle, friends?
Good job. You know this. You got this one.
Absolutely. You should have circled
Next
the
one?
nail. How many friends circled the nail? Now, who would use a nail?
This one?
A daddy, a carpenter.
Well, this one cuts grass. This one also picks up hay. This one is a lawnmower, cuts grass, so maybe that one. Then moved on into seat work, where you can find the instructions in the back of the book. But we did start with our numbers page.
Go to paper 2, your writing
We
tablet.
got numbers, writing tablet, Bible activity, numbers tablet. We're starting on numbers.
Paper number 4 is your numbers tablet paper. Let me tell you
4. Okay, good.
today. Your very first
I made it
paper is your
awkward.
numbers paper, and you will be doing the back of that page. You are going to add. You'll count by 10.
Now?
Count by tens.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Okay, write it.
Paper number 2, it is your writing tablet paper. And then in house number C, circle 2 different things that show.
Come on.
Color the picture using the color key. Jesus talks to Nicodemus.
We then moved on into reading. We are a part of the baseballs group. What is this word?
Ben,
Bend. Good.
10,
Tent. Good.
camp,
Camp.
Read this word for me, please.
had,
Hand.
hand,
Like hand. Hand.
soft,
Good.
next,
Next. Good job.
held,
Held. I held my water. Good.
gulp,
Gulp. Right. I took a big gulp of water.
ba,
Bump. Bump.
pie,
Quilt.
quilt,
That's a little. We then moved on into activity time. It was a fun one with instruments, and jumped straight into numbers, where we are working out of the page 84 and reviewing it.
21,
Okay, and what comes after 17?
17, 16, no,
No, that's before.
18.
Yes.
0 equals 3. 4 equals 1 equals 1. 3 plus 3 equals 3.
We then moved on into phonics, where you can get these words
this
out.
word?
Steep.
That one?
Ba-
That's a D.
Dally.
Day.
Day. Pike.
No. Pick.
West.
Rest.
Pull.
People.
La.
A. That's a A.
Oh, play a.
Plate.
And we finished with language enrichment and called it a day. Stay tuned for lesson 105. All right, you guys, today is a new day, and we are going to focus in on 105. As always, we like to open up our day to see what books are needed. We are going to need our reading book 4, I Learned to Read, our social studies book, our letters and sounds book, and our numbers book. and our handy dandy writing with phonics, and you can get these words out. We started with our Bible, going over memorization Psalm 23, and jumped into skills development, which was a fun one, going over quick children's books and quiet music. So we jumped right into our seat work. Instructions are always in the back of the book. We did start with our phonics, page 115.
That is close, right?
Paper, and then paper number 3 is your numbers tablet paper.
It says mark the vowel and read the word. Circle the word that names the picture. So mark, that is a pile of clothes.
Pie.
The vowels and read the words. You are going to
Pie.
every vowel in every
That's a
word.
little hard one. Would pile, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Has been finished.
Circle it, and you're gonna mark the vowels. So go ahead and mark the vowels.
Say, write the blend you hear in each word.
Not too hard with those new pencils. Okay, how about mark the vowels first, then circle it?
Okay.
Okay, what is that?
This one?
No,
Oh,
this next one.
The letters that you're going to, the pictures that
Okay,
you
good.
see on the front. And
What is that? That's
What?
a meal. That's a meal.
Mute or different?
This is a meal. What is that?
Mute. Different.
Yes. Mark the vowels first.
Oh.
Okay, what's this? That's a Jeep. Jeep.
Jeep. This is a Jeep. Jeep. Different.
Yeah.
We then moved on into our reading, where you can get your reading book 4 out.
A says A. A says A as an acorn. A says A.
Okay, what is this name? This is a name. What is this name?
Jack.
Good. And what is this name?
J.
Good job. It's Jack and Jake. What is this one?
Cat.
Good. And this one?
the first one says it's long sound.
Cape.
Cape. Good. What about that one?
You get to read
Bake.
Bake. That one.
Cat.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Cake. No.
Good. Cake. Cake. That one?
Cat.
No.
Take.
Take. Remember, if there's an E at the end, this A as in acorn. Okay, read this one.
The cake.
The cake. Go ahead. No, it has an E.
Jane.
Jane.
Will.
No, there's an E. Make.
At.
Wait, what?
At.
At?
A.
A,
Cake.
Cake.
We then moved to activity time, social studies in page 115 and 116.
Good job doing it with your finger first, then you could go ahead and finish. Good job.
We then moved on into numbers, page 85 through 86, and we are going to grade and record this page.
Your teacher says we are on the first row, the first set of numbers. Circle the number 37.
37.
37.
Got
There
it?
are 37. Circle the number 72.
72.
72.
No.
Circle the number 96.
96.
96. You're going to circle the number 12. 12. Pencil, rest. Eyes are watching. I want you
Now
to
it's over here.
listen
2
very
plus
carefully
1
to what
equals
you
3,
are
right?
going to do. On the front, you are going to add
No.
by 6.
He did great in his numbers, so we went ahead and moved on into phonics, where you can get the page out from seat work as well as these words. And we called it a day there. I want to thank you so much if you're homeschooling with me. I'll continue to post a few times a week, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.